Imagine giving up all your heavy lifts, no squats, no deadlifts, no bench press for an entire month. Instead, you only do yoga. Would you lose your strength? Would your muscles shrink? Or would something completely unexpected happen? Well, I decided to find out, and the results will shock you. What do you think will happen? Drop your guesses in the comments before we reveal the results. People say if you stop lifting, you'll lose muscle fast. But is that really true? I've been lifting weights for years. It's my thing. I love the feeling of getting stronger, lifting heavier, and pushing my limits. But yoga? That's something I never took seriously. But then, I started seeing more and more pro athletes talking about how yoga improved their performance. At first, I ignored it. But then I saw studies showing how yoga can actually enhance strength training, and I got curious. I thought it was just stretching. It's only for flexible people, it won't help with muscle growth. The real question, can yoga replace weightlifting for an entire month? I once tried a yoga class, lasted 10 minutes, and walked out. No weightlifting for 30 days, yoga daily, 60 to 90 minutes per session. We'll be tracking flexibility, strength, mental clarity, and body composition, and of course measuring performance before and after. Core activation strengthens stabilizer muscles, joint mobility helps prevent injuries, and breath control enhances endurance and mental focus. Would you try this challenge? What do you think would happen? Day 1. I thought yoga would be easy. I was so wrong. By minute 10, my legs were shaking. By minute 20, I was drenched in sweat. By minute 40, I wanted to quit. Holding poses like warrior pose, crow pose, and downward dog, balance and core activation, mental focus, staying still felt impossible. Have you ever tried yoga? Did you struggle like this? Breathing control improved endurance, core strength, more stability in movements, reduced soreness, faster recovery. How yoga affects the nervous system and muscle recovery. Expert interview with a yoga instructor, side-by-side progression videos, early struggles versus newfound control. Alright, moment of truth, did I get weaker? Squats, more depth, better form, deadlifts, core stability improved. Bench press, slight decrease in weight lifted but better control. Would I replace weightlifting with yoga? No. Would I add it to my routine? 100% yes. If you struggle with mobility, if you have recurring injuries, if you want faster recovery. Studies show that yoga can improve power output, reduce injury risk, and enhance muscle coordination. Now I want to hear from you. Would you try this challenge? Drop a comment. Like and subscribe for more fitness experiments.